Koby's 17, a great player. He's going to the next level. He's been swinging the rope bat a couple of years, and he's going to show us some drills on how we use the rope bat. In particular, the one-hand drill with the junior. The rope bat junior is great for adults, including the major leagues, who like to use the lead hand to take the bat to the ball and the backhand to supply the power. So we're going to get to that this morning.
C'est trop facile de s'en prendre au dictateur. Le monopole du cœur, vous n'avez pas monsieur, vous n'avez pas. Vous n'avez pas le monopole du cœur. C'est trop facile de s'en prendre au dictateur.